Hello everyone. Today's class will start into standing position. Inhale, lift your hands up, bring your palms towards your chest center. Slowly move into a standing twist towards your right. Bring back your palms and now towards your left, twist, standing. Gently bend your knees and bring yourself towards a forward fold. Walk your palms forward, keeping your heels grounded on the floor towards your downward dog. Inhale, move into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, push back towards downward dog. Come back into a side plank towards your left side. Lift your right hand up and switch. This time, right palm down, left palm up into your side plank. Release. Lift your right foot. Bend your right knee and bring your right foot in between your palms. Warrior 2. Look forward. Extended side angle, bend your right elbow. Or maybe bring your right palm all the way down on the ground as you open your chest, moving your torso back. Inhale, lift your torso back up. And this time bend your left knee. Look forward into your Warrior 2. Bend your left elbow, reach your right arm up. Or bring your left palm all the way down onto the ground and just keep your torso a bit more back as you open your chest. Get yourself down towards downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. And push back, downward dog. Side plank, this time lifting towards your right leg up. And look up into the sky or ceiling. Switching your side plank. This time lifting your left leg up. Look up. Release. Prepare to jump forward. Inhale, bend your knees and jump forward. From here, come into your Yogi Squat Malasana. Bring your palms towards your chest center and twist in your Malasana. And exchange the other side. Slowly lifting your hip up. From here, preparing to get into Bird of Paradise, lifting your right leg up. Try your best to bind both of your fingertips together, lifting your right leg up. And if you're comfortable here, you may stay here. If not, you can gently lift your right foot all the way up. Keep your legs straight and your chest open forward. Breathe. Bend the right knee and gently bring it back down. Come back into Malasana Yogi Squat, moving your hips side to side. This time doing the Bird of Paradise on your left leg. Binding carefully the fingertips together, lifting the left knee up. You may stay here, or if you like, you can continue and just bring the legs straight. Look forward, opening your chest. Bend the left knee and release. Inhale, lift your hands, lean forward. Twist in your wide-legged fold. And this time twist towards your left side. Palms down, bend your knees, lift your heels off, and just move here back and forth, lifting your toes and alternately lifting your heels up as well. Bend your knees and jump back. Bring your knees down, knee, chest, chin, cobra. Deep breath here. Tuck your toes, push your hip back. Downward dog. Lift your right leg up. Bring the right foot in between your palms. Inhale, palms to chest center. And now cactus arms and interlace the fingertip. Chin up, look up. Twist. Left palm down next towards your right foot, and gently try to lift your left leg up. Almost like you're doing a warrior tree with a twist, but with a more bended knee. Gently bring the back foot down, jump and switch. Inhale, lift your hands up into your warrior one. And from here, right palm next towards your left foot. Lift your left hand up into a twist. When you're ready, lift your right leg up and twist left hand up. You can keep your left knee bent here. Release. Inhale, come forward. Keep your toes looking forward, feet parallel to the mat. Inhale, lift up. Palms to chest center, and this time wide-legged fold. Bring your fingertips onto the floor. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, twist. Right palm down, this time lift the left hand up, look up. Bend your elbows and lean forward into your forward fold, wide-legged forward fold. You can always widen your heels. And as you exhale, fold deeply here. Stay with your slow, deep breath. Inhale. Reach up. Interlace your fingertips to the back as you roll your shoulder back. Tuck your tailbone and push your hip forward. Open your chest towards the air. Chin to chest, come forward. Bring your interlaced finger above your head. Keep a micro bend on your knees. And this time side stretch towards your right side. Look down as you inhale and exhale towards your left. Release. Left leg forward, right leg back into your pyramid pose. Reverse hand prayer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently lean forward or just bow down into your front leg. Inhale, lift your torso back up. Release the interlaced fingers, maybe wiggle it away. And now switching sides, right leg forward. Hands, a reverse hands prayer pose. Inhale, lengthen, open your chest. As you exhale, lean forward, spine straight, and bow down. Inhale, lift back your chest. And from here, fold forward. Just let go of your head here. Keep your left fingertips onto your right ankle and twist. Switch side, right fingertips onto your left ankle and twist. Gently bring yourself down. Keep the sitting bones grounded, knees towards your chest. Lean back and lift your both heels up, flexing both feet. Half boat and twist here, side to side. Keep your spine straight, chest open, and just gently twist or roll your boat side to side, keeping your core engaged here. Bring back and hug your knees towards your chest, spine long. Release. Come into your Dandasana staff pose. Lift the right hand behind your hip and twist. Look towards your right side or all the way towards the back. And try to keep both feet flexed here. And switch. Left palm behind of your hip. Right hand on top of your left knee. Twist. Release. Inhale, lift your hands up, reach up. And try to bow down all the way. Keep a micro bend here, spine long and straight. And maybe move your hips side to side, releasing any tension or tightness in your hamstrings. Come back into your easy seated pose. Doing a cat-cow breath works here. Inhale as you open your chest. Exhale, roll the upper shoulder. And stay with that pace and breath. Sitting bones grounded. Inhale, lift both hands up, reach up. Palms together, palms towards chest center. Relax your facial muscle here. Breathe in and breathe out. Namaste. Thank you for joining the class, everyone. Take care.